Welcome to the virtual training course on quality control and inspection. In today's session, we will focus on Lesson 4, Garment Inspection, Stitching, Measurements, and Finishing. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what is garment inspection, stitching quality inspection, what to check, common stitching defects, measurement inspection, finishing inspection, garment defect classification, inline versus final inspection, inspection procedure, step by step, inspection reporting. What is garment inspection? Garment inspection is the final checkpoint before products are shipped to the buyer. It ensures that garments are safe, correct, clean, and presentable. Inspections can be done during production, at the end of the line, or as a final pre-shipment check. Here's a real-world example. A buyer once rejected 10,000 trousers because of inconsistent leg lengths and broken stitches, problems that should have been caught during final inspection. Stitching quality inspection, what to check. When checking stitching quality, focus on the stitch type and its consistency. Make sure the thread tension is balanced, not too loose or too tight. There should be no skipped stitches or broken threads. Backtacks must be secure at the beginning and end of seams. Also, check for neat trimming of extra threads. Common defects include open seams, uneven stitch lines, and raw edges that are not properly folded. Common stitching defects. Some of the most common stitching defects are broken stitches, needle holes, unbalanced tension, misaligned seams, and loose threads. Each of these can lower the quality and appearance of the garment. Measurement inspection. Garments must always match the buyer's specification sheet. Important points to measure include chest, waist, hips, sleeve length, inseam, outseam, and overall length. Measurements must fall within the buyer's tolerance levels. For example, if the spec is 100 centimeters with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.5, then the acceptable range is between 99.5 and 100.5 centimeters. Finishing inspection. Finishing gives the garment its final look. Check that ironing and pressing are done properly. Make sure there are no stains, all marks, or dirt. Verify that the size label, care label, and brand tag are correct. Also, check that garments are folded neatly, packed correctly, sealed in polybags, and that hang tags and barcodes are attached properly. Garment defect classification. Defects are usually classified into 3 categories. Critical defects are safety or legal issues, such as finding a needle inside the garment. Major defects affect the use or appearance, like receiving the wrong size. Minor defects are small visual issues, such as a loose thread. Inline versus final inspection. There are 2 main types of inspection, inline and final. Inline inspections help to catch defects early, during stitching, using smaller sample sizes. Final inspections are done after packing to approve the shipment, usually following the AQL sampling method. Inspection procedure, step by step. Here's the step-by-step inspection procedure. First, prepare the measurement chart and buyer's checklist. Second, select garments using random sampling. Third, inspect stitching and finishing visually. Fourth, measure each point and record the results. Fifth, classify and count the defects. Finally, accept or reject the batch based on AQL. Always remember, inspect under good lighting and have defect tags ready. Reporting. After inspection, fill out the inspection format sheet. Record the purchase order number, style number, defect types and counts, and the pass or fail decision. For major or critical defects, attach photos. Then share the report with your supervisor and the quality assurance manager. Summary and what's next? To summarize, garment inspection covers stitching, measurement, and overall presentation. Using spec sheets, checklists, and AQL helps ensure consistent quality. In the next lesson, we will explore in-process quality checks versus final inspections and learn how to catch defects early in the production line. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope you are enjoying this training course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next lesson.